You know, here's the thing. Even if I could get it together enough to, to ask a woman out, who am I gonna ask?
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same.
Do you think it's easy for me to see you with somebody else?
Hey, you're the one who ended it, remember?
Yeah, because I was mad at you, not because I stopped loving you. No, Ross! Don't! You can't just kiss me and think you're gonna make it all go away, okay? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't just make it better, okay?
Okay.
I think you should go.
What?
I really think you need to go now.
Okay. This morning you said there was nothing so big that we couldn't work past it together.
What the hell did I know?
Look, there's got to be a way we can work past this, okay? I can't imagine my life without you, without these arms and your face and this heart, your good heart, right? And
No. I can't. You're a totally different person to me now. I used to think of you as somebody that would never, ever hurt me. Ever. God, and now I just can't stop picturing you with her. I can't. It doesn't matter what you say or what you do, Ross. It's just changed everything. Forever.
but this can't be it. I mean,
so if you think that I didn't say goodbye to you because you don't mean as much to me as everybody else, you're wrong. It's because you mean more to me.